Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to swim in Minecraft. Now, by swimming in Minecraft can be fairly easy for everyone experienced in Minecraft, but for new users this can be a tough and challenging thing to do, because you're trying to hold space and W together while using control to stay off the water and also trying to swim fast. I have one simple solution for you. I'm going to show you in the F5 mode. This is what people are trying to do. They're trying to basically run on the water. Sink yourself down, let go of space, and still hold control and W forward. This will allow your character to swim. Because of the update in 1.16.4, this allows your character to swim as fast as possible without drowning as your head is off. If you hold space and go up again, your character is going to stop. If you let it sink and hold W and control, your character is going to automatically swim. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you soon.